The question of the type 13x plus 11y equals to 70 and 11x plus 13y equals to 74 means they are of the alternating type. Alternating means their coefficients of x and y are alternated. Like first equation is ax plus by equals to c1 and the second equation is bx plus ay equals to c2 type. Is that clear to you? Are you all there?
Yes, sir. Yes,
So to solve these types of equations, first we add both the equations. Adding equation 1 and 2. Why? As when we add them, they will give the same coefficients. 13x plus 11x, 24x plus 11y plus 13y, 24y equals to 70 plus 74, 144. Understood?
yes. Yes,
So
sir.
when we take 24 common from first equation into x plus y equals to 144, it implies when we divide it by 24 from both sides, left hand side 24 will be cancelled out and in right hand side it is 144 by 24. It implies x plus y equals to 24 6 144. So the first equation is very easy. Sorry, third equation. This is the third equation, na? X plus y equals to 6. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Are you all there?
Yes, sir.
Again we write both the equation and this time we will subtract the second equation from first equation. Okay? So we write subtracting equation 2 from equation 1 minus and minus. Okay? So 13 minus 11x, 2x. 11y minus 13y minus 2y equals to 70 minus 74 minus 4. Understood everyone? You all there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So in this equation 2x minus 2y equals to minus 4. So when we take 2 common, x minus y equals to minus 4. Dividing both sides by 2, it is giving x minus y equals to minus 2, which is equation number 4. So this equation is very easy equation. The set of new set of equation is x plus y equals to 6 and x minus y equals to minus 2. And it can be easily solved by adding equation number 3 and 4. We get what? X plus y equals to 6, x minus y equals to minus 2. Adding both, y cancelled out, x plus x, 2x equals to 6 minus 2, 4. It implies x equals to 2. Okay? And using equation 3, x plus y equals to 6. So 2 plus y equals to 6. It implies y equals to 6 minus 2 equals to 4. So the answers are x equals to 2 and y equals to 4. Is that clear to you?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Understood everyone? To solve method to solve the equations of the type ax plus by equals to c1 and bx plus ay equals to c2. Asutosh Mishra,
Yes, sir.
How? You are entered in this class. How is it possible?
सर वही मैं भी सोच रहा था कौन सी क्लास चल रही है,
अच्छा अच्छा,
मुझे लगा
और तो कोई नहीं है यार, हमें तो लगा 10th class. To solve the equation of the type in which there are alternating coefficient 13x plus 11y equals to 70, 11x plus 13y equals to 74. First we add both the equation. So 13x plus 11x 24x plus 11y plus 13y 24y equals to 144. Okay. When we take 24 common, x plus y equals to 144. It implies x plus y equals to 144 by 24. So x plus y equals to 24 6 144. So the equation is x plus y equals to 6. Okay. Is that clear to you? Now we subtract equation 2 from equation 1. So 13x plus 11y equals to 70 minus 11x plus 13y equals to 74. All the sign will be changed. Minus 11x minus 13y equals to minus 74. When we subtract, means we add both actually. 13x minus 11x 2x, 11y minus 13y minus 2y equals to 70 minus 74 minus 4. So 2 is common from left hand side into x minus y equals to minus 4. It implies x minus y equals to minus 2. Okay. Now on adding equation 3 and 4, equation 3 is x plus y equals to 6. Equation 4 is x minus y equals to minus 2. Y will be cancelled out. So we get 2x equals to 4. That is x equals to 2. And using this value of x equals to 2 in equation 3, we get 2 plus y equals to 6. That is y equals to 6 minus 2 equals to 4. X equals to 2, y equals to 4. Is that clear to everyone? Question number 3D. Then upon, why are you not?
So the first term is not clear actually. So 2b
10 upon
it
x plus y it is, I think. है ना?
10 upon x plus y. So 10 upon x plus y plus 3 upon x minus y is equal to
7. Equation number 1. Okay. And second equation.
8 upon x minus y
minus 15
minus 15 upon x plus y
equals to
5.
5. So to solve these types of question, look at this. It is x plus y, x minus y, but this is x minus y and x plus y. So first, if we put 1 upon x plus y equals to a and 1 upon x minus y equals to b. Is that clear to everyone? First we have to put what? 1 upon x plus y equals to a and 1 upon x minus y equals to b. So from equation 1, what do we get? Equation 1 is 10 upon x plus y means 10 into 1 upon x plus y. And plus 3 into 1 upon x minus y. Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
So 1 upon x plus y is replaced with a. So it is 10a plus 1 upon x minus y is replaced with b. So it is 3b equals to 7, which is taken as equation number 3. Okay. And then from equation number 2, we have to substitute the same substitution. 1 upon x plus y equals to a and 1 upon x minus y equals to b in equation 2. So from equation 2, now we will directly write 8 upon x minus y. What does it become? 8 upon x minus y? Prakhar? 8 upon x minus y. What does it become? Prakhar? Prakhar, are you in class?
Yes, sir.
So reply. What does this 8 upon x minus y become? Prakhar. Shivani. Anushka Tiwari.
Yes, sir.
From equation 2, what will we get? Were you not in class?
So I was there.
So why are you not replying?
So we'll get 8b minus 15b.
इतनी देर में आंसर मिलने का तो यही मीनिंग हो सकता है कि कुछ और करने में लगे हो, जबकि हमने कहा जब हम समझाना शुरू करें तो तुम्हें कुछ नहीं करना है, रुक जाना है, पेन छोड़ देना है, पेंसिल छोड़,
No, sir.
कॉपी छोड़ देनी
No,
है।
sir. Actually, I use my earphones, so for when I speak, I take them out because when they are in, I cannot. So my voice isn't audible.
ओके, इतना सारा बोल दिया। सो 8b minus 15a equals to 5. So minus 15a plus 8b equals to 5. This is equation number 4. Okay. Now solve them using any one of the two methods, elimination method or substitution method. But substitution method is useful only when coefficient of a or b is 1 in any one of the equation, which is not here, है ना? So we will use elimination method. The coefficient of a is 10 and coefficient of a is minus 15. So 10 and minus 15 are the coefficients of a in both the equations which we have obtained after substitution. So first we will find the LCM of 10 and 15, and we know that the LCM of 10 and 15 is what?
So 30.
30. So to make it 30, we have to multiply equation 3 by 3. Okay. So we write multiplying equation 3 by the number 3 and equation 4 by what? To make it 30, we will multiply equation 4 by Are you not there? We will multiply equation 4 by what?
2.
2. So equation 3 becomes 10 3s are 30a plus 3 3s are 9b equals to 7 3s are 21. And equation 4 when it is multiplied by 2 it becomes minus 30a plus 16b equals to 5 2s are 10. And when we add both 30a will be cancelled out. 9b plus 16b 25b equals to 41. It implies b equals to 41 by 25. Okay. And then from any one of the equation 3 or 4, from equation 3, which is 10a plus 3b equals to 7, we get 10a plus 3 into 41 by 25 equals to 7. It implies 10a plus 123 by 25 equals to 7. It implies 10 equals to 7 minus 123 upon 25. Are you all there? Are you all there?
Yes, sir. Sir.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
Sir, 21 plus 10 is 31.
अरे वेरी गुड, कोई बताया नहीं तो पूरा रॉन्ग हो जाता. तो 21 plus 10 it is 31. In this place also it will be 31. बाकी सब तो बैठे हुए होगा खाली. लिखने में जब लग जाते हो ना तो फिर दिमाग नहीं चल पाता है, इसलिए हम मना करते हैं कि लिखो मत. 31 3 जा 93. ध्यान दो यहाँ पे जो बता रहे हैं, हो सकता है कुछ कैलकुलेशन मिस्टेक हो जाए और ये भी हो जाएगा. (93). So 10 equals to, when we take LCM, 25. 25 sevens are 175 minus 93. Okay. 175 minus 93, 7 plus 7, 82. Is it correct? So
Sir.
A equals to 82, as it is 10 enough, so 10 goes to the denominator. So again it will be cancelled out by 2 na. So it is 41 upon 25 5s are 125. This is the value of A, but we have to find the value of X and Y. Now as A equals to 1 upon X plus Y, है ना? A equals to 1 upon X plus Y. And according to us, it is 41 by 125. So taking reciprocal both sides, we get X plus Y equals to 125 upon 41, which is equation number 4. Okay. And as B equals to, we have taken B equals to what? 1 upon X minus Y. Okay. So it becomes, and B is calculated as 31 by 25. 1 upon X minus Y, it implies X minus Y equals to 25 by 31, which is equation number 4 is already there. So this is 5 and this is 6. And adding 5 and 6, we can get the value of X and Y. Is that clear to you, everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Adding 5 and 6. So have you understood the method? X plus X,
Yes, sir.
Y cancelled out. So 125 by 41 plus 25 by 31. Okay, when we take LCM, it is 41 into 31. So numerator is 125 into 31 plus 41 into 25. Okay, equals to 31 5 155, 15 LCM. 62 plus 15, 62 plus 15, 77, carry 7.
375.
3875. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Plus 41 into 25 is 1025. 25 into 40, 1000, and plus 25 over 41 into 31. So it will be 1271, na?
Yes, sir.
Correct. So
271. Yes, sir.
add it 48, 49, 4900.
4900.1271.
And this is the value of 2x, means x is obtained by dividing the numerator with 2. 2450 upon 1271 is the answer for x. Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And now using this value of x, you can find the value of y, or one more thing you can do, subtract equation 5 from 6. Na? Subtract equation 6 from 5. It can also give it directly. Na? One we have added and once we can subtract. Subtracting is minus x cancelled, right? Y plus y, 2y equals to 125 by 41 minus 25 by 31. Okay, so it is equal to, then LCM is same, 41 into 31. Numerator products will be same, 3875, but in place of plus there will be minus only. Okay, so no need to write it again and again. Now subtract it. 2850. One denominator will be same, 1271. So y equals to, dividing the numerator by 2, 1425, 1425 upon 1271. So these two are the answers. Is that clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
So adding and subtracting will be easier than substituting the value of x in the equation. Yeah? So these are the two answers. X equals to 2450 upon 1471 and y equals to 1425 upon 1271. Understood everyone?
Yes, sir.
So now solve the sheet to question number 3 and properly with full presentation and send in assignment. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So I'm leaving the meeting, ending the meeting. You have to deposit it up to 9 p.m. today. Okay?